As we embark on this celebration, let us honor those who have committed their lives in the noble art of teaching.
And let us do so with the reverence they so richly deserve.
Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, a revered philosopher and the second president of India, believed that teaching is the noblest profession. In honor of his remarkable contributions to education and his enduring belief in the power of teaching, we celebrate his birthday on September 5th as Teachers' Day.
This day is not just a commemoration of his legacy, but a tribute to every educator who dedicates their life to pursuit of knowledge, wisdom, and the betterment of society. It's a day to recognize and celebrate the profound impact of teachers have on shaping young minds, guiding them with wisdom, and inspiring them to reach the stars. As we honor Dr. Radhakrishnan's legacy today, we also honor the countless teachers who carry forward his vision, turning classrooms into sanctuaries of learning and growth.
So, let us begin this day by paying a tribute to Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan.
I now invite Mr. S.N. Sahu sir to light the candles and address the children sitting here by illuminating the rays of knowledge and wisdom to each and every student.
या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती
All the replicas approach your teachers for the token of love.
क्वचित माता
First of all, a very happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers. Thank you for being the guiding light in our journey of learning. Your wisdom, patience, and unwavering belief in us makes all the difference. You inspire us not just to learn, but to dream, to grow, and to become the best versions of ourselves. This drama replicates the struggles and little joys in a teacher's life. This drama is a little gift from our side to yours. So I hope you all enjoy it and have a very nice day. Happy Teachers' Day again.
मम्मी आपको पता है आज क्या हुआ?
बच्चा, आई एम लिटिल बिजी नाउ. इतना बड़ा बंडल चेक करना है मम्मा को. शी विल टॉक टू यू लेटर.
मम्मी के पास तो मेरे लिए टाइम ही नहीं है.
Namaste सभी को. I will show your papers today. Are you all excited?
सुन, तुझे क्या लगता है मेरे कितना मार्क्स आएगा?
अरे तेरा छोड़, मुझे अगर 85% के नीचे आए ना तो पापा नई साइकिल नहीं दिला के देंगे. और पेपर तो ऐसा गया था मेरा कि बस पास हो जाओ ना, उतना ही काफी है.
Enough talking now. I will distribute your papers roll number wise. Nobody will talk. और कोई एक दूसरे के पेपर्स में नहीं झांकेगा. Okay?
Ma'am, I've written such a long answer, but you didn't give me any marks.
Marks are to be given on correct answers, beta, not on the lyrics of some song.
Ma'am, why didn't you give me full marks on this answer?
मैंने इस क्वेश्चन के आंसर में आपको मार्क्स दिए हैं, जबकि आपका आंसर पार्शियली करेक्ट है. Should I cut that marks?
नहीं, इट्स ओके, मुझे नहीं बढ़वाने मार्क्स.
नमो नमः छात्राः. सुप्रभातम. उपविशन्तु. संस्कार. इस अव्यय का प्रकार बताइए जरा.
मुझे नहीं आता मैम.
बेटा कल ही तो पढ़ाया था, इतना जल्दी कैसे भूल गए?
मैम संस्कृत वैसे भी कौन ही पढ़ता है? पीछे 4 बच्चे टिफिन खा रहे हैं, इसने तो बदल मूलभूत धुन बनाई है. और मुझे तो वैसे भी कुछ नहीं आता. संस्कार, देखो डर नहीं लगता, कल पीटीएम है. अरे नहीं लगता डर, जो होगी कल देखी जाएगी. वैसे भी मेरी मम्मी ना मेरी साइड लेती है.
Namaste ma'am. Welcome to the picture. You must be the parent of संस्कार, right? आपके बच्चे में पोटेंशियल बहुत है मैम, but he doesn't utilize it.
यही तो मैं आपको बताने आई हूँ मैम. नाम मैंने इसका संस्कार रखा है, पर इसमें कोई संस्कार है ही नहीं. नो डिसिप्लिन. ना खाता है ढंग से, ना सोता है, और पढ़ता तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं. सारे दिन बस मस्ती. मैम आप तो रहने लीजिए. ही ट्यूशन जाता है और मार्क्स तो ऐसे आए हैं कि कांट इवन फेस हिज फादर नाउ. आई फील इट्स नॉट माय चाइल्ड्स फॉल्ट. गलती आपकी है. जब इतनी फीस भरने के बाद भी आप लोग मेरे बच्चे की परफॉर्मेंस इंप्रूव नहीं कर पा रहे, तो इसमें मेरे बच्चे का क्या करें? उसकी क्या गलती? क्या कर रहे हैं आप लोग?
Now how do I answer all these questions? Is it really my fault if the child is not putting any efforts? बच्चों याद रखो, शिक्षक सिर्फ शिक्षा प्रदान कर सकते हैं, पर पढ़ना तो आप ही को है ना. हम राह दिखा सकते हैं, पर आखिर उस पर चलना तो आप ही को है ना. Now We've looked at the stories of our two teachers. Moving forward, let's look at the story of Sharma sir. स्वभाव से शांत पर क्लास उनकी अशांत. Let's see what happens when Sharma sir confronts 10th के दानव.
नमस्ते सभी को. ये कौन है? भाई सर. हाँ, ये भी जाएंगे. 2 दिन भी नहीं टिकेंगे. सो बच्चों, कैन यू टेल वेयर डज द रिवर गंगा ओरिजिनेट फ्रॉम? सर, घर से.
As we look, these Danavs are already troubling Sharma sir. This goes on for many weeks. Once a day, children get into a fight.
ज्यादा हारेगा. तू क्या रखते? इतना मारूंगा ना. ओए, तू क्या हारेगा? तुझे तो इतना मारी जाती. बहुत हो गया. जितना तुमसे बॉन्ड बनाने की कोशिश करूं, तुम लोग मेरे ही सर चढ़ रहे हो.
Are you guys crazy? मस्ती की भी खाद होती है. Did you see sir's face? तुम्हारे पता नहीं, पर हम सबको लगता है कि शर्मा सर बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं. हमारी शैतानी को हम नजरअंदाज कर रहे हैं. But what we did today was pathetic. It's not fair to him.
कह रहे हैं कि शर्मा सर का बर्थडे आने वाला है. Let us grab this opportunity to apologize. Sir, we know we have troubled you a lot, but no more. We will make sure that things go well now. No one has to have this करो. अरे, मेरे गधे बच्चे इतने होशियार हो गए. वाह. But nonetheless, I would always be thankful for you guys. Happy birthday, sir.
Sir, I am here again to take my leave. It's almost 2 months, sir. When will I get it?
अरे मैडम, बाद में आना. It's lunch time now.
अरे 2 घंटे से आपका लंच टाइम ही चालू है.
ये बुढ़िया, बोला ना लंच टाइम है. चल निकल यहाँ से.
This is so unfair. I have been waiting in the queue for long 2 hours, and when I get here, आपका लंच टाइम शुरू हो गया.
ज्यादा मत बोल. हाँ तो चैन से खाने तो दे.
ज्यादा? अपनी सारी जिंदगी बिता दी बच्चों को सिखाने में, उनका भविष्य उज्जवल करने में, और आप कह रहे हो ज्यादा हो गया? सबको डॉक्टर, बैंकर, इंजीनियर, पायलट बनना है, पर हम टीचर्स का क्या?
What is this chaos going on? मैम, आप?
संस्कार बेटा, तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो?
All thanks to you, ma'am. The efforts you and all my teachers took on an idiot duffer like me has made me successful today. Everyone, this is Neha, ma'am. She is one of the most important people who are the reason I am here today. मैंने देखा तुमने कैसे बात की मैम से. Is this how you treat our customers? I will not tolerate this kind of behavior. I am right away signing your permanent termination from our end.
अरे बेटा, let it be. No need of such thing. Let it be. मैं सिर्फ अपना पेज कलेक्ट करने आई थी.
Ma'am, are you still there in the same school?
फिलहाल तो yes, still there, but I would be soon retiring.
Oh, sad.
Not sad. I will miss all my mistake बच्चे.
Now that we've noticed every teacher's perspective today, some of them are going to get retired. Now, as we say, to their tenure, which is going to be erased, but the boats run out. The roads are going to be parted, but the destination would always remain the same. Now, let us take a look at the retirement phase of a teacher's life. बहुत साल हो गए पढ़ाते पढ़ाते, न जाने कितनों को सिखाया फॉर्मूले. बड़ा पढ़ना पड़ता है जिंदगी का. मोड़ आया नया चलते चलते.
आज समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले, अब तू अपने दम पर भूख मार के दूर झाड़ ले, छोड़ छाड़ के सारे छप्पर. आज समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले, अब तू अपने दम पर भूख मार के दूर झाड़ ले, छोड़ छाड़ के सारे छप्पर. खोल पर खोल पर खोल
was truly unforgettable, and now it's time to shine the spotlight on a very special group of our Perfectorial board. They have worked tirelessly behind the scenes to make this event possible.
Absolutely. Their dedication and energy are about to light up the stage. Let's give the Prefectorial Board a huge round of applause as they dazzle us with their performance.
நாடின் நன்மகனே பொன்மகனே முத்தாயவனே இன்னும் சூரியனும் சந்திரனும் முன்னாயவனே காலம் வந்து வச்ச ரட்சகனே சிம்ஹாரகனே எல்லோர் கண்ணை நாடி வந்தவனே பயமே மாறி துணி அண்ணன் வந்தா திங்களுக்கு மெல்ல இருட்டில் சிட்டி வாழும் ராஜாவுக்கு எல்லாரும் சொல்ல இவனை கொடுவான எங்கும் ஜனத்திரக்க காலம் நடுங்குவதால் சொர்க்கம் வரும்
That was amazing. I now request Principal Sir to enlighten us with few of his words.
नमस्ते सभी को। नमस्ते सभी को। नमस्ते सभी को। सभी गुरुओं का वंदन करते हुए मैं उनको उनके कंट्रीब्यूशन के लिए सत नमन करता हूँ। Dear students, if we'll look at the success stories of the people, you will not find a single successful person who is not supported by his or her teacher. Yesterday, I wish to share you, yesterday some students from Symbiosis Law College, they came. And they invited me for the moon as well as to our children for the Model United Nations. And then I permitted them, okay, we will communicate your message to our children. One of the topper child, there were 8 children. They went out and then one child stayed back. Yesterday it happened. He touched my feet. I could not recognize him. And he was in his tears and said, sir, I am passed out from this school. You were not the principal that time. But this is the campus which made my life what I am now. I am leading now in the Symbiosis Law College there. It was yesterday's incidents. And he spoke all about the old teacher, Mahua Madam, Tejaswini Madam. He met, I think, Mahua Ma'am too. Why I am narrating this story, it is not exactly the story happening, is that a child, wherever she is or he is, he or she cannot grow without blessings of a teacher. Without blessings of a teacher. So my dear friends, as I said, we wish and we want this gift. Let us make this campus where the children comes out and lead the society, lead the Nagpur, lead the Maharashtra and lead India. And this could only happen if we'll give or we'll have that respect and that surrender against the teacher, towards the teacher.
Math is flying all along the way. Variables everywhere. They're in a dash to solve them first. Oh, what a clash.
इतिहास बताए बीते दिनों की कहानी, ज्योग्राफी के मैप्स बनाए हमारी दुनिया ने.
English wave story so tight, with words that dance in every line. Planet soaring, we took our first flight.
विज्ञान तो है एक्सपेरिमेंट्स और डिस्कवरी से भरा, इक्वेशंस के साथ लाइफ बैलेंस करने का स्किल हमने सीखा.
And P, nevertheless, it's the period which is of course always wanted.
So here's to the movement, small and grand. The bond remains both vast and strange. Although the seasons turn, this partnership of students and teachers will never change.
लेकिन दिल से हम मानते हैं, टीचर्स हमारे हमें जानते हैं. कुछ छोटे पल, कुछ बड़े और खास, मिले सबक और मिले मदद का एहसास.
इस सफर में गुरु शिष्य संग चले, दिल से जुड़ा एक रिश्ता. You are the ones because of whom in future will shine like a star. क्योंकि कभी हमसे कहीं हो जाए भूल थोड़ी, कभी जगी धड़कन नहीं, जाना काबिल हूँ मैं तो अभी. कुछ ऐसे अगर इन लफ्ज़ों में है, इन्हें भूलेंगे ना हम कभी. याद रखे हुए उन पलों में कहीं लौट आएंगे फिर हम यही, लौट आएंगे फिर हम यही. Thank you teachers for everything. We will never let you down
And we will always make you feel proud. With this note,
This is Saeed
and this is Gaurangi.
signing off.
Alright everyone, it's now time to shake things up a little bit. Are you ready for some fun? It's time to get everyone moving with a game that's sure to bring out your competitive spirit. We are playing four corners with a twist.
So, here's how it works. There are 4 corners on this ground, each representing a different room. When the music starts, our beloved teachers will need to pick a corner quickly. Once the music stops, a student will draw a check with the name of the class.
If your chosen city is picked, well, you're out of the game. But it's fine. It's all in the name of fun, right? The last teacher standing will be our champion of the day.
So, teachers, get ready to move. Let's crank up the music and start the game.
You can even choose classroom, okay?
Yes. You can choose the classroom also. All the 4 corners are available. You can choose this.
Replica, finish it, dancing. Let's get students to dance.
Okay. Now this time.
So that's it. The name is Pota given.
No change of rooms after this. Okay, music sir. Okay, you can take it and you can choose the partner you can bring till the music is going on. There's a prize for the teacher performance. Okay. Little corners. Now the next corner is Hotel cabin.
So the chit is conference room.
So now we have a winner, Sunita ma'am. Let's give a big round of applause.